stunning 6 gated estate on a gorgeous 4.5+ acre lot. This fabulous home features an elegant first floor with gleaming hardwood floors and fireplaces in the family room, dining room, and study. The gourmet eat-in kitchen offers plenty of space for cooking and entertaining, and leads to the picture-perfect, professionally landscaped backyard. The sunroom and indoor pool/spa room are drenched in natural light from the charming oversized arched windows. The luxurious master suite offers an ensuite bathroom with soaker tub and separate shower, spacious walk-in closet/dressing room, and lovely sitting room with a cozy fireplace. The second level also offers 5 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths, as well as a huge bonus room that would make a perfect exercise room or additional family space. The third floor bonus room is a great space for a game or hobby room and offers wonderful